What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a WhatsApp button on Facebook and how to change your WhatsApp number on Facebook. So let's get started. So first you need to head over to the Facebook's website and then log in with your Facebook account. And after that, you need to go to the settings. So to open the settings, you need to click on your profile and then click on settings and privacy and then click on settings again. And then this will open your settings. From here, you need to go to the personal details, and after that here you will see your WhatsApp profile if you have added, and you can just simply change and add the WhatsApp number if you want to. And after that, when you are done, you just close this, and then in the new tab you open the Meta Business Suite. But if you don't want to open and type manually, you can click on this waffle like menu icon again and then click on add, and then it will automatically open the Meta Business Suite in the new tab. After coming to this Meta Business Suite or Ads Manager, you need to select a campaign which you want to edit. And after selecting the campaign, you need to go to Ad Sets. And after that, select that campaign again, and then you just need to click Edit. And after clicking on Edit, here you will see the ad set option. From here, you need to choose Message Destinations, and after that a page or a pop-up will load. From there you will see multiple social media applications that you can integrate in your Facebook ads or Meta Business Suite. And then if you have added your WhatsApp profile in the normal Facebook, you will see it here in these options. So select WhatsApp and then enter and connect your WhatsApp button on Facebook. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.